Hey everyone, well I'm back and I took some pictures of it. I did get it finally in, but boy what a struggle to get that in there to hold. So anyway, I hadn't quite finished tightening everything. Oop, I'm gonna put that coffee down somewhere. I just heated it up again. I had raccoons fighting outside. It's Rocky, the one, my new Rocky. What's funny is, there, I don't think that still bothers you guys probably. One of the babies, kits, when the mother was first bringing them here, there was one that kept looking at me and was like, you know, like, oh, what's this all about? I think, and I felt like he wanted to, you know, connect with me somehow. Anyway, I didn't give it another thought. And then yesterday, what happens? He shows up and the other ones don't. I'm thinking, well, I guess he's sticking around. And, well, are you in there good and tight now? Oh yeah. Not moving. Nothing's moving. Plastic is where it's supposed to be. Okay. Well, I got everything connected back up. Okay. Well, that can't stay like that. I'm going to have to get another screw. And I don't have any here. They're all in the back room. So you guys are going to have to move a minute while I go do that. Fucking things hanging around here. And guess what? Oh. Gonna have to take something off that other computer. That is definitely not it. And you know what? The one that's outside is the one that I need the screws for. Is there any screws on this thing I can take off that's easy? Would fit through these. Now, see, this one didn't use screws, that's why. Oh, where's that button again? No, I'm certain of it. Ah, for the love of fuck, eh? I would have thought I had 100 of these little fucking things. Hang on. We're not beat yet. I gotta take one of these screws out anyway, so it's whether it's too tight for me to do it. Yeah, it is. No way that's coming out without. Oh, did I get it? No. Cocksucker. Sorry guys, I am really a potty mouth, eh? Did any screws end up in here by chance? Oh, maybe. Maybe, baby. This one here. Same kind, too. Let's see. It should be the same. They're just not the kind used with screwdrivers. I'll have that in there solid because it's pretty much something you're constantly. Oh yeah, here we go again, eh? Oh, what's underneath there? Nothing. Okay, so I got a lot more room to work with here. Assuming the threads are the same. And they are. Here we go. Well, this one goes in a lot easier. Maybe I should use this one. Come on. Tighten it right down for that thing to hold. And since it's USB 3.0, I will likely be plugging in out of it. I'm going can't imagine. Oh, fuck that. Tightening it down, it's not doing shit. Oh, I know why. Let's try that now. Yeah, I think I just had to unloosen the this thingamajig. Yep, there we go. Okay. I knew I was going to do this. I don't know why I didn't think to go out and get the screwdriver kit. I may have to anyway. I really hate to put that back there without it being nice and snug. Nothing. Yeah, look at that. It's not going to go. It's not going to tighten that way. I need a regular screw. Yeah. Because it's leaving a space in between. It's not designed for that. I'm surprised this one's working, to be honest. Well, you know what? It's time to go get the screwdriver kit and quit fucking around. I know where it is. I'm sure I didn't leave it on the kitchen, on the outdoor table. Nah, fuck it. I'll be back. And I'm no fucking Arnold. Cats won't want to sit on you like that. All that shit poking out, although you never know with the fucking cats around here. Okay. Hang on, Blackie. Coons are going on. Well, they don't take me anyway. Oh, the fucking wind. Is that snow? Get out of here. Fuck me. No, well, you know what? Fuck it. I'm glad that fucking summer's over anyway. I usually keep this kit right in the house all the time, but I need a box because guys have been working around here, and sometimes they, you know, they don't have certain tools with them. I gotta watch that box. It looks terrible. But usually I just let it sit. I don't know if you can see me, but right here at the door. Now that's all going to be gone because there'll be the wood stove, but he's going to build me some shelves anyway. I'm going to need one for the microwave for sure. But we're going to be tearing out the cupboards in the back. Okay, I still got to get a screw here. One that goes through here. Right there. And I need to, there's pretty much, look, that battery's out. That's the old battery. It runs out in twice the amount of time that the other one did. Anyway, I still got two charged. One, there's another one charging. Look, that wind is happening tonight. Wow. Okay. Got my screwdriver now. Proper one. And that really worries me. Okay. Yep, these are the right ones. This is the one that should be on, actually. I hate like hell to take. Oh fuck! Are you kidding me? Please tell me you didn't fly far. Nope, there you are. It's a nice thing about having a light, eh? Okay, where's that little thing? Get you in there. At least hanging on by a thread. Now it'll work. Yeah, because see, it has to go through. That was holding it back. There we go. Actually, you know what? No, let's just tighten this one down. It's holding it anyway. Oh, fuck. It's holding it anyway. Let's see if I can... You guys see all that? Probably not, eh? This one's got a ratchet on it, so it makes it easier to turn. There we go. There, nice and tight now. Oh, she's stripping. As long as she doesn't pop out, I'm happy. And then this thing here is supposed to stay down. Probably should find some more screws and just put them in there, but see, the top thing here is broken. I wanted to take a picture of that with the cell phone. Show them where it's fucking broken too. And if they think I'm waiting for them, let's see if I can get that light out of there. Yeah, keep moving it, eh? So yeah, I think I got it that time. If I can get enough of them that aren't blurry. That was a good one. Okay, so enough of that. I'll send that off and say, okay, why are you people playing fucking idiot games with me? There's an Amazon right east of Ottawa. I'll drive right down to that fucking Amazon. This actually came from the States, from Michigan, so I can't drive there to slap somebody. But don't count me out yet. I will get my fucking revenge. I'm tired of people fucking robbing me. Maybe you're supposed to go there. No, you're 5/30 seconds. And you're supposed to be a 5/16, so I'm assuming you're the right one. Why aren't you going in? None of them are supposed to be backwards. Here's a quarter. There's a 5/30 seconds, but that's not right either. No, this is that's 5/16. It's supposed to go in this one. I don't know why it doesn't fit. My friend that was murdered, that was part of the camp here. Well, maybe it's supposed to go in that way then, but that don't seem right to me. He bought me this one Christmas. I didn't have any tools. This was right when we were first hanging. You see, that's not supposed to go there like that. These are all mixed up. Somebody's been fucking around with this. God damn it. Why can't people fucking put shit back? I'm missing a quarter. I'm missing a 9/30 seconds. Something called a PH1. That's a Phillips. Phillips 1. Phillips 2. So see, even these are wrong. Robertson. That's in the wrong place. This is 9/30 seconds. It's supposed to be up here. And then this then should be a quarter, yeah. I mean, how hard is it? It's even labeled, and even these are all labeled to match, eh? This is why I don't like loaning tools or anything. That's not supposed to be in there. That's part of, this stays in here, I think. Yeah, because then you can use sockets with it. It's not even supposed to be stuck in there. So I'm missing a Robertson 3. Or is it a Robertson 2? What's this one here? Robertson 3. So I'm missing a Robertson 2. And then, like I said, Phillips 1, 2, and 1/4. Or is this, maybe that's a quarter. Hold on here. Doesn't say anything. Because actually that doesn't say Phillips. It says a quarter. That's probably this, actually. That does belong there after all. Yeah, and it fits perfectly. What a bunch of nonsense. And then these are, well, no, are they mixed up? Small, bigger, 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 and much bigger. Okay, well, there you go. Nice, eh? Oh yeah, I was going to, those are Phillips, so I can use this Phillips. Okay, same with you. Nothing moves around. I got a bad feeling this fucking thing isn't going to work. I just, you know, because it's used. Well, I can fuck him good because he hasn't been paid for everything. They've only gotten one payment out of me, and I will not be making any more. I'll cancel the card if I have to. They're not going to fuck me. Okay, so... Oh, now let's put that thing back on. Big plastic fucking thing. It says caution glass right on it, like I didn't even notice it, eh? Duh. Okay, so which way are you supposed to go now? This way. Yeah, that works. Oh, there's a fucking O-ring there that popped out now. Where is that supposed to go? Any other of those O-rings pop out? Don't look like it. Just that one, huh? Alright, well, it's back in there now. There should be 4 of these little doohickeys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are just finger tight, so you wouldn't want to push too hard on them because you end up breaking the glass, eh? I'm going to go, oh yeah, black one. That's all I need to do is lose a black one. I'll never see it on the floor because I'm a blind doohickey. Okay, so now we go with this one. Doesn't need to be that tight, although it does seal. It's got a rubber seal on it, eh? Fucking wild. Never had a case this nice. I'm out of power. Oh no, did I put a new battery in there, that's right. Oh, now I'm running out of fucking room. Well, that might be it then. I'll put it all back together, and then the next thing you'll see is it all back together, I guess. I'm about to run out of room on the little card, and I don't have any other those little cards. Something else I need to buy. Okay. Just want to see what is where now. You go over here, you go over there. I need, that's the new hard drive. Phone out of the way. That's the spare one. I'll use that for the other one. Oh, fuck. I don't understand my male and my female. They fight like fucker like you wouldn't believe. Then they play. Then they sleep together. But the fighting is serious. I have to break them up. Like, they don't go crazy. Wally hisses at her and chases, and then she'll go at him. It's like, I've just given up trying to fucking keep them apart. It's like, fuck, man. You're fucking me around here. Like, you know, either hate each other or don't. But stop it. Because you're driving me nuts with it. Anyway. The vagaries of having a cat, people. Okay, so that's my other camera, the Logitech, but we're not using that anymore. Oh, unless it works, unless this video card makes a gigantic fucking difference. Okay, so see now, that's this little doohickey here. So what we can do is we're going to plug all these into the ones that are on board, I think. Or do I need to? I wonder. I could just put this one on one. I mean, I still got way more than I... Oh, what the fuck? This is black. Well, that's not 3.0 then. What the fuck scam is this? That's 2.0. That was supposed to be 3.0. You lying sacks of shit. And they're whites inside. Oh, you fuckers. I never even checked it. I paid for 3.0. This is not 3.0. You fucking assholes. I've had that running. I wondered why certain things weren't running right as fast as they should have been. You rotten cocksuckers. Another fucking, you know, I bought those some time ago too. Oh, am I fucking pissed. Oh, man. I am really fed up with this shit with these kind of fucking idiots. Well, it's a good thing I bought that extra one. I thought I was gonna, oh man. And I know for a fact, I still have it in my, you know, in my, you know. Okay, so you, how come you came off? Oh no, you're supposed to be in the back of the computer. That's what it is. Okay. The sound can go over, under, and here. That'll go on top of the computer. And there's my verbatim hard drive. Oh, I thought that was my Porsche. Sorry, that's my verbatim. I guess the Porsche must have died then because... Okay, so what are you connected to? Okay, so that's you. So this thing wasn't even... my 3.0 drive wasn't even plugged into a 3.0 thing because they scammed me. Okay, so this hard drive here... What is this here? Oh, that's my... Okay, that's my sound card. Sound card doesn't need a 3.0, so I don't care. It can go anywhere in the back. Hard drives do not like to fall. Okay? Remember that, people. Okay, I don't need this light anymore. Now I need my hat because my... Can you guys see me? Oh, fuck no, eh? Well, you're about to run out anyway, and I'll probably just end up having to edit it. There. It's not so bad for me to see, but I just want to plug all this in before I get it set back down again. It was nice having that light, though, I have to say. And what were you plugged into? Something fast. You over there. Okay, that hard drive can go in after. Fuck, am I ever pissed off? The keyboard doesn't matter. It's easier to do it that way. So the sound card doesn't matter which one I put it in. Well, you're going to get a 3.0 whether you want it or not, Logitech, because now I've got all kinds of fucking things. Not Logitech, but Sound Blaster. I have the SBX, and it makes my sound system crank for what it is. Okay, now you, where's your... magical little cord. So see, this hard drive is supposed to be 3.0 as well. You fucking assholes, man. Anyway. I don't know why I didn't check. It's not like me not to check. Okay, where are you going now? Are you connected to what here? Something 1.0. Oh, that would be my keyboard. I expect one I never use, but I do keep it plugged in. Okay, yeah. So we don't care about the keyboard. Well, I mean, we care, but keyboard can go in on any of them. Well, fuck, I don't think... I've got so many 5s now, it doesn't matter. I still have the 5 on top. And that's for like this camera when I'm using it as a webcam. So, anyway. I keep thinking I smell dead mouse. Do those cats get a mouse? I just never found it. Oh, it's just, oh, it's from outside. I know what that is. It's the mop is, it was sitting in water and it started to smell bad, so. And it fell. Okay, so there's a hard drive. See, this hard drive actually has to go on top because of the shortness. So now when I plug a camera in for this, that'll be, that's this cable. That's the one I use. Yeah, that's the King cable or whatever the fuck they call that. So I'm going to plug that now right into the video card. Well, the 3.0. Right? Yeah. So that one is going to be for him. So that's at the back now rather than being at the front. And you know what I could do is... No, I think we'll leave it like it is. Okay. And then, fuck, is that everything? There's this hard drive. That hard drive is going to stay up there, so I still have 2 USB 3s available, and it looks like I don't need them. Yeah, that's it. What a difference that makes. Make sure I got everything where it's supposed to be. You're blue into blue, that's 3.0. That means that hard drive is going to be way faster. This is the white, but that's for sound card. Doesn't matter. Wait a minute now. Which one is this? That is the sound card. What the fuck is that green one? USB-O 3.1. Oh fuck. Well, won't do this any good anyway. Alright, well 3.1 is that green one. So 3.1 are greens now? Is that what I'm seeing here? Well, it's a different blue. Oh, that's green alright. Okay, well, I guess the cables have got to be green now, 3.1, but we're already up to 3.2, so I don't know. Okay, so good up there, good here. Hook up the video card, or the video. That goes into my TV as well. This is for my TV here, so it's not going to make any difference for the TV simply because, oh, that's this one here, HDMI. Reason being is that the TV is only, well, it's not 1080 even, it's 720 I think, because fuck, it's 15 years old. It's LED, but it was one of the first LEDs. You know what I'm saying? Whoops. Okay. You're gonna have to go. I'm just sorting wires here. Okay. It's internet. For the internet we don't fucking have, right, Goldie? She's heard me scream and bitch about it all day. Okay. I guess I'm gonna have to unplug you. It'll be easier than trying to wrap that wire around everywhere. I'll run you right along the same area as, oh, are you gonna be able to even go that high? Doesn't look like it. Okay, well, doesn't matter. It's the plug-ins. I gotta redo this entire thing. I've been holding off because I kept thinking, well, you know, it would be, I hope that doesn't start up until I'm ready. Okay. What was I saying, man? Yeah, well, I'm just not ready. There's the cable for the, see, and that's blue, so 3 point whatever. But that little drive will take 3 point whatever. This one's blue, so that one can go back on top once I move it down. What are these wires here now? Is that the light? Which one is this now? Where are you going? No, that's a microphone. The microphone, oh, it does actually have to go in. But it's white, so let's just throw him up there. I don't need the microphone on top, eh? No, I do not. They're black on top, eh? So they're like one, but they charge, but they're slow charge. But I bought other things to do charging now, so. Okay, that's a converter. What's this wire? Oh, that's the other part of the converter. My converter wires. And see, that's the 3.0 as well, but I'm not using that cable for anything, I do not think. Okay. Oh, by George. Am I still recording? Oh, yeah. I think that's it. I can just gently lift her down. Oh, where's that? Where the fuck is that? Light cable. Where are you? Right there. And you are white, so you can go anywhere you want to, because, well, that sounds so bad, eh? Fucking wokeness people, you get you thinking stupid. Anyway, it's not about white people, man, you fucking idiots. It's a white thing in there, and it's supposed to go in with the other white things. Wait a minute now. I still have cables to go in here. 2 of them. No, 1. Right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, so it's plugged in. And I should have power the minute I flip this. So, I mean, not to boot, but it should turn that light back on. Which, the degrees... Oh. Nope. I guess, I gotta... Well, I can still flip the power on. I just don't need to... Oh, power is on. Yeah, I guess I have to boot the fucker. Okay. Anyway. Let's lift her down gently. Gently, gently, gently. Where's this cable fucking sitting here? Okay. Sound, you can go over there for the minute. Or I can hold you, whatever. God, I wish there was some other handles on this thing. Had one. Well, that fucking Lenovo had a handle on it. It was beautiful. Absolutely fucking perfect. Oh my God, look at the wires just falling everywhere. Okay, I need you not to be there. So that's why I shouldn't have maybe. Ah! Oh, come on. How hard can that be? Not that hard. Okay. Now that wire is supposed to be the sound. Get you out from underneath. Then I can place you back on the big cinder block. Right? There we go. Oh. Not quite. Not quite, not quite, not quite. Alright, there we go. Woo! Oh, don't tear off that nice insulation. Oh, it's magnetic. Fuck. Well, not insulation, but, filter. That's what holds it on. I did not know that. Now I do. Okay. Now, I think everything is hooked up correct. So now, bring the hard drive back. Power's still on. Turn that off, unless I just accidentally bumped it. That's more likely. Okay, the sound. Probably have to redo the... Oh, fuck. I gotta move you over here because this fucking thing has gotta go... Fuck. Alright. It's the power cord. It's limited again. Can I wrap that around by unplugging it? I don't think so. I can't see. Oh, well, it came out anyway. Alright, well, for now I don't need the internet. I can rerun that wire. I don't have a choice. There's no internet, so fuck off. That thing slides. There's nothing on the bottom of it to hold it from sliding around. Thanks, Storm. Appreciate all the garbage. There. Kitty fucking corner, eh? Alright, so now sound can go back there. Actually, I should just leave it on top of that hard drive because I need space in here for, wind. Okay, so now I gotta be able to plug you into one more fiber. Or 3.0. I don't know why I keep thinking 5. Come on. I don't want to pull you out, people. Somebody's going to say, why did you put your light back on? Because it's uncomfortable. Only feels comfortable when I'm camping. Where is that? Ooh, why the fuck would you be falling off? Okay. Nope, I have it backwards. That's the right way. Okay. So now, the Western Digital is there. We're going to be taking stuff off of it to go on to the new drive, which is there. I still can't get over the side of that fucking thing. And where's my little cable for that now? I picked it up. Oh, there it is. I'll use the one they sent me that came with it. Samsung. Oh, this is a nice little cable. Samsung figures. Okay, so I don't need to do that anymore. Now I got to find the cable. There's the cable for the camera. Lots of cables. We're good there. Microphone is hooked in. Everything is clear. Everything is neat and tidy as I can. So we'll plug that drive in. Is there enough room on that fucking camera? Still? Is it still working? Oh yeah. See it fire up. Blows up, eh? Maybe it won't start now. Maybe the hard drive is fucked. Or not the hard drive, but the video card. What's going on here? Oh, don't touch it twice, Paul. It was starting up and then I went and touched it. And we now have power for the light. There we go. Didn't keep it sitting. I didn't surprised. There we go. Is it on the brightest? Yep. Okay, nothing's happening. Check signal cable. That's not a good sign. That fucking thing doesn't work. I'm gonna fucking lose my fucking brain. Oh. You fucking assholes. Nothing. I don't know what's happening here. Yeah, I'm not getting anything. No video coming on at all. There's going to be ugliness tonight. I'll try one thing. I shouldn't have to go back and using the converter if I can find it. There's a converter for another plug on here, but I don't know what I did with it. I know I didn't get rid of it, that's a fact, but God knows where the fucking thing is. Didn't have to use it anymore. Apparently I do. Here. Maybe I put it in a box. Nope. Where is that piece I need? I know for sure I wouldn't have got rid of it. Well, it's a good thing I didn't do anything crazy to that card. Because there's nothing. Absolutely nothing. That is complete bullshit. Hope I can find that little piece. Where is that thing? Please tell me you're here. Is that it right there? Nope. That is another 3.0 cable. So that other thing must be here because that's where I put everything. I'm not seeing it. That. Oh fuck, that's an old camera. That's all not what I'm looking for. Maybe it's back here. I left it sitting back here. Oh. That's mine. Oh, is that it there? That might be it right there. Yep, that's it. So this is a different thing. I better turn the power off. Let's hope that works. Hang on a minute here. Where's that fucking power? Okay, so see that's a converter for. I hope I shouldn't have to. I didn't have to use the converter on the Radeon card, so I don't know what's going on here. Anyway, let's hope that converter's solid because I didn't think it was the best when I was using it before. Okay. I shouldn't be putting everything back. I may end up having to put the other card back in and ask those assholes why they ripped me off. Okay. I cannot see worth a shit. Oh, plugged right in. Okay. That was too easy. Let's get our power and see if I get anything. Fuck, doesn't even sound like the computer's booting up. Yeah, what's going on here? I don't think that's, unless the card shut down my computer. Well, unless the cable came out on the other side. That's been known to happen. Nothing. HDMI in. Number 1. Now what? Anything? Nope. Well, look at there, everyone. I got ripped off on that card. I'm going to be using the words pieces of shit a lot here in the next while, I think. Let's reboot it just the old school way. I don't think this computer's booting up. Oh no, the fans are running. But why isn't it rebooting when I put the reboot? What the fuck's going on here? It's not booting up at all. Oh no, it was. There's the keyboard, but no video card. Amazon. Nope, nothing. Funny though, the computer doesn't sound like it's booting up at all. Yet all the fans are running. I don't know what I could have missed here. Well, you know what? There's still the onboard card. Let's see what that does. I should be hearing the fans. flying up here. Now let's see what happens. Oh, I need power here. No, nothing. No, absolutely nothing. So they ripped me. That fucked, eh? Nothing. Buy it again, yeah, that won't be happening. Fucking assholes. I don't know if getting the run around here even to find where I can complain. I'd like to be on the big computer because it's easier for me. Track shipment, buy it again, payment method, view and manage monthly payments, products related to your order, but no way to complain or anything. Well, I guess that's got to come out, man. Cocksucker. After all that, eh? You pieces of shit. Fucking Amazon.